Where all my scamming ass niggas at? Spending that money fast. 20, 50s, 100s cash. Boy, going that go, y'all bad. Boosting bitches, where y'all at? Stuffing that shit in y'all bag. Just to flip it, pop some tags. Girl, going that go, y'all bad. Spin that shit. Spin that shit. Spin that shit. Spin that shit. Nigga, spin that shit. Spin that shit. Spin that shit. Nigga, spin that shit. The gangsta ass nigga make.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kiki's Lifestyle. So today, what am I gonna be doing today? I'm gonna be trying to pull an all-nighter summer edition. So yeah, because I've been staying up for the past 2 nights, like 3-4 o'clock. But my goal for today is to stay up until like 6 o'clock. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. So what am I gonna do first? I kind of feel hungry, so I think I'll go to the kitchen and make some mac and cheese. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah. Oh, let me tell you the date. Today is August 3rd, and it's right now 7:16 p.m. And yeah, I think I'll go to the kitchen now. So I'll see you guys in the kitchen. Okay, so I'm in the kitchen now. Wait, let me take a look at the cheese. Okay, so I'm using packed cheese. Then let me take a bowl. Okay, wait, I need to fill this up with a cup of water. Wait, boil water in a medium. Okay, so I had it right. I think I could do half the box. Only half. Okay, I think this is enough water. Ooh. Okay, so make it. So yeah. I do like half of it. First. Okay. So like. Oh, why do that? If I'm not even gonna use half blue. It's fine. But hey guys. Okay, so I added more water. Anyways. Like this. Oh wait, let me put salt. No, let me light it first. In the medium. Okay, I'm gonna put some salt in it. Not a lot. Okay. So I decided that I'm just gonna do the whole box. I'm just gonna do the whole box so I can just have leftover. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. Wait, I think I'm gonna switch to the pan because this one easier for undo. So that's what I'm gonna do. Wait, let me take this off. I'm gonna switch to pan. this one hot. So I'm just gonna pour water. Yeah, this better. I can manage this one better. Yeah, let me like the stove again. Okay. Let that boil for a few minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm pouring in the macaroni right now. Yeah, I'm pouring in. What, how long does this have to cook for? 7 to 8 minutes. Alright, so, okay, so I just drained the water out of this. So, I will put up at the fire and then put the, no. I will put butter in this, and then the milk, and then the cheese. Let me hurry up. I will put all the cheese ready. Ooh. Making a mess. I think I need more butter and more milk. Okay. Put more of this. And then more milk. And then mix it together. Okay. Ready? Mixing time. Oh boy, this is beautiful place. Oh, this is looking. I think I added too much milk. It's fine. Oh. Ooh. It's looking very creamy. I think I did too much milk. I think it's done now. I think I gotta mix it too. Okay. So I will share a plate for myself. Oops. Get a bowl. Talk about you. You wanna put me in the blue. You wanna move back. Okay. So I'm gonna share some. So what I just made my mac and cheese. Yum. So I'm just gonna enjoy that now. And come right back to you when I'm done. Okay guys, it's a while later. I was on the phone with my friends, so I didn't really vlog. But right now it's 9:17 and what am I doing now? Do some online shopping. I gotta go order stuff off a Shein. So I'm gonna do some computer right here. You can see. I feel like I need some new clothes, so that's why I won't wear on actually. Okay, let me show you my cart. Okay, so I have stuff in my cart right now. But I have to make sure that I actually want to get these before I check out, because I don't want to check out and then I find something better and then, you know, the whole thing. So I'm gonna do a little more shopping. I'll let y'all know when I order the stuff. Okay, y'all, so I just purchased my stuff on Shein. Should I show y'all? I got like, well, 11 things. I would show y'all, but I think I'm gonna do a haul instead. So I'm not gonna show you what I got. But anyways, what I'm gonna do now is I think I'm gonna change into my pajamas now. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then after that, I'll figure out something. Oh wait. You know what I don't do in a while? Use my skincare over there. So I'm wait. No, I can take pictures on my Polaroid. But wait. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is first change my pajamas, then take pictures on my Polaroid, then use my skincare. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's the plan? That's the plan. Okay, y'all. So, boom. I'm finally in my pajamas. So, let me show you. I have this pink hoodie. I have no idea where is it from, honestly. I think, like, one of those places, like, Gap or Old Navy, or one of those places I think it's from. And then these sweatpants are from Shein. Me and my other two friends match for these. They have the pink one and the black one. So what am I gonna do now is take some pictures on my Polaroid. Let me check how much film stuff in it before. Am I really gonna, bro? When I hit up my nail. This nail. No, it hurts. Okay, so there's no more films left. Great. So I have to change out I need to buy more film because this is my last film. Literally my last film. How much you get? 10 each. This is my last film. I need to buy more. Oh, why it tastes oof. Oh. I lick up my fingers so now it hurts every time I touch it. Okay. So we're gonna open it. Okay. Ready? Okay, so it says 10 left. Let me make sure I do it accidentally. Take one. Okay. One, touch your body. Hey. Touch your body. Yeah, I'm feeling wonderful. When I'm taking out, if you love me right, you are like only. Yo. Okay, let me put on up close real quick. Oh, this smells like strawberry. This smells good. Touch your body. Bro, that's like, I keep hearing this on my For You page. Yeah. Okay. What pose am I gonna do? I don't even know. Okay. Only taking like what, 2? 3. Okay, like this, 3. Ooh. Okay, let's hope come up with. While that wait, I gotta take one more. Oh, should I pose? Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay. So I'm gonna wait till them come up. Wait, this is how it come out. It's actually cute. Why one of them dark though? But it's fine. So I have this one and this one. I'm gonna decide which one to put at the back of my iPad case. I think I'll put this one. I'll do this one. I'll probably give it to my dad. So yeah, guys. They come out. They actually came out so cute, bro. Wait. They actually came out so cute. But I don't know why. I think I changed the setting on one of them when I took one of them. That's why it come out so dark. But anyway, these are so cute. Wait, I'm gonna put it at the back of my iPad case. Okay, y'all. So this is how my iPad look. Wait, let me try focus. Yeah, so cute. Yeah, I feel like I ate with that. I kinda ate with it. I ate with it. So what am I doing now? Oh, I gotta shave my eyebrow because I feel like it needs to be shaved off a little more. So I'm gonna shave my eyebrow right here, and then after that I do my skincare because I have to go wash my face off anyways to cleanse it when I shave my eyebrow. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Yeah, shave my eyebrow because I feel like it need for reshape up. So hey guys. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna show you how I shave my eyebrow. So I take this blade because you know those. Let me show y'all. Okay, normally said to use these, but this is not sharp enough unless I have to sharpen it. But like every time I try use this and shave my eyebrow, it doesn't work. Like barely any hair coming out. So what I do instead is like I use the razor and I break the razor and take this out. So this is how I get this. And like I use water and spray it liquid because just in case if it fell on the ground or something. Yeah, so and then it's gonna be hard because I can't really see. And I just shape it until how I like it. Cause sometimes I go too deep. Like the first time I did it way up here. So now I just bring it down. So what I normally do is I shape with this shape eyebrow. I normally dye it with red dye. Like I have this what my name as I am like red dye. Like it wash up. It's like it's basically chalk, but like in like a paint texture. So I just put it on my eyebrow and then if it's my natural hair, I put it on my hair. So yeah. So I don't think I can see. Wait, let me do it in the mirror. And then get back to you guys. See, show you how it looks while I do it because I can't really see in this camera. Okay, so I did it. I don't know if y'all see a difference, but I see the difference. It's like I can see better in person than in the camera. The camera don't make it have a difference. So I take this spoolie. Sorry if I butcher this name wrong. Spoolie? Something like that. And then I normally use it for my lashes. But I just take one of these and just brush it over my eyebrow like to shape it, you know? I need over this one too. So, and I'm gonna do this like, well, whenever I feel like it. I don't even have a specific time I do this. So yeah, what am I doing now? Is wash my face. Shut up. So I'm gonna wash my face now.
Yeah. Ice. Yeah. Maniche on the beach, shebang. All of my ops, they dead. Why do they gas me up? Where does it go? My head. How much I got? A lot. Don't leave again, I won't. Thinking of trying me, do like Bryson, pussy ass nigga, and don't. Can I forgive? I can't. What do I need? Some head. Shorty keep asking the date. She trying to finesse Poly Market for bread. Where's the beef?
Okay, y'all. So as y'all just watched, I just washed my face. So now I'm gonna take out the thing that I need to do with my skincare. So I'm gonna need this, but I'm gonna use this last. Which one am I gonna use? This one. I need to set up here. Everything has on. Anyways, I'm gonna use this and this. Okay. So I'm gonna use. Let me show y'all what I'm using. The first I'm using is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Guys, like, ever since I got these nails, I've been hitting up my fingers. So now these two of my fingers hurt now because of the nails. Like, I hit it up, feel like the nail coming off now. Like, it's not coming off, like my natural nail is coming off with it too. So I have to be careful. But I forgot to show you guys what I'm using. But it's the same brand, but it's the Pore Tight Tone to hydrate my face. And then okay, now I go put on this the ordinary niacinamide. It's for hydration also, I think. Guys, honestly, I haven't done skincare in a while. Like, I don't know, I just get lazy. So I don't really do it. Unless, like, I'm that bored. Or I don't have nothing else to do. So it just sits here. Like, if I'm being honest, I'll just use it, like, what? 4 times, 5 times a month. Honestly. Yeah. So let me really see. Okay, let me show y'all my face mask that I have. Okay, let me put these away. I'm gonna just leave this out since that's what I use it. Let me show y'all. Okay, I have all of these. I think I'm missing one. Okay, it's fine. But I have all of these face masks. Which one I'm gonna use? I'm not sure. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna use this one because it matched my outfit. It's pink, so it's a pink and blue thing, you know. So let me put these back. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna use this one. What is it called? The Cream Shop Rose Water. It's like a Korean face mask. I think I got it at one of those Korean markets. I don't know, shop. So yeah, rose water. So it matched the fit, so you know how to open this open. So I have to open it upside down. So I have to put all the juice down. Oh, my finger hurts. I soon get them refilled, don't worry, y'all. That was very bad. Okay. Bro, what's going on? I'm not that weak. I'm not that weak. Okay. I finally got it open. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be cool. I'm scared, guys. I haven't done a face mask in a long time. Oh, how open this? Okay. Okay, so I'm trying to open. But I can't. Okay. Okay, I think I got it. Hope I didn't rip it accidentally. Okay. Ready? Ready, guys. Ooh, it's gonna be cold. Yo. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. And plus, I have on the AC, so it's cold. Oh my god. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Am I putting this on right? It's cold. Bro, why is it so big? I didn't even look on the package on how long I should have this on. Yeah. Okay. I think I did it. Okay. So wait, let me look on the package to see how long I should have it on for. I think I did it, guys. Hope I did it. I have to do it. Okay. Oh. Okay. How long I should have it on? Apply to skin, dry and optionally tone skin. Leave mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. So I think I'm gonna leave it on for like what? 12 minutes, and I'll be right back with y'all when I take it out. Okay, y'all, so the timer is up now. So I'm taking it out. Ooh. Ooh. It was kind of tingling anyways. I don't know why. But it kind of felt weird on my skin. But my skin looked glowy though. Okay. So I have these tools. Let me show you. So I have these tools, right? What's this called? A jade roller, I think. And I think you just roll it on your skin to like even up what is on your skin. I think that's what you do it. I don't know. I just have these tools and I really been using them. And look it up on TikTok what to do after the face mask. And I'm set to this, so that's what I'm doing. It feel, I don't know. I'm rubbing it right here because it itch, but my face look glowy, bro. What? I can see the I can see the sleep on camera now. But my face glowy. Okay, that's enough for this, I think. Let me get my eye. Okay. And then use this. I think it's for a cheekbone. They say it's like to shape a cheekbone in a different way. I don't know. I don't know if I believe it or not. Like you rub it right here, right here. Yeah. I think I'm done with that. Yeah, let me do that. So I'll use this now. This face cream, Kids multivitamin face cream. Ready? Ooh. Ooh. It smells like peaches. I don't really use it. Even though I'm not a kid, I still use it because why not? Feels nice. I smell like the peach smell is very strong. So oh, my face feels so what's the word? Like it's very soft. Yeah, soft. My face feels very soft. Ooh. And it smells like peaches now. Okay, what's the mighty colors now? Okay, I forgot to show y'all. I bedazzled my summer Fridays. It's summer Fridays, but like the labeling kind of came off. I kind of stretched up. So I bedazzled this. And I bedazzled. Well, started bedazzling my drunk elephant. Bronzing drops? No, goldie drops. But I didn't finish because I kind of got lazy. So anyways, what am I gonna do? Oh wait, okay. So this is the next thing I do. Ooh, my finger. I take this is Vaseline, but it's almost finished. I need a new Vaseline. But I'm not gonna waste it. So I take one of these spoolies. I think that's the right word. Spoolies, and then you put it in here. Like you roll it up in the Vaseline. And then I rub it so you can get evenly coated on everything. Make sure your hands are clean. My hands are clean when you're doing this. But and then I put it on my lashes. That's why my lashes are so long. Yeah. I normally do this sometimes. So couldn't see for a second. Okay. And I do it on the bottom lashes too. So I think that's it. That's all I did for my skincare. When I do it, and that's not often. I don't do this often. I just decided to do it because why not? Okay, is that it? Oh wait. Oh. For my lips now, I use this. It's called a strawberry lip mask, moisturizing and nourishing. It really smells like strawberries. This was what I was using earlier, and it smelled like strawberries. I love it. Like it keeps my lips moisturized for a while. It's a mask, but like I use it as a lip gloss. Who's gonna know? Like it keep like look at that. Wait, let me take back this video. I'm gonna put it on my yeah. So now I'm gonna take it and also do my brows too. Because since he had the Vaseline on it, it grows it too. I almost blind myself, bro. Yep. So you guys. Okay, guys, it's like a while later. I know it's 1:15, and I'm feeling kind of hungry. So what am I gonna eat? I think I should make popcorn. Yeah, I'm gonna make popcorn. But what I've been doing, I just laying down, watching like TikTok mostly, and like on Pinterest and stuff. But yeah. So what am I gonna do now? Make some popcorn because I'm hungry. So let's go to the kitchen. I gotta be quiet. I gotta be quiet on the cake, y'all. Okay. Really good. It's hot. It's hot. Okay, yeah. I also feel, ooh, why scrunch over there? I also feel that my stomach because I needed more water. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for this to cool first and then do my camera. Okay, y'all. Ooh, this popcorn is good. So I think I'll watch a movie where I eat my popcorn. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So it's what time is it? 4:33. Y'all can see 4:33, and I've been editing my video. I think I'm supposed to post it today. I think I'm gonna post it today. So I was making some final cuts on the video. So, but I'm feeling tired, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye. Pulling up outside of magic. Love when I'm ripping the